I have to risk getting detected.
I have to be detected.
Yeah, you guys can run. But everything's open, so just head on over.
Problem is Leatherface is out here. How did he not see you? How does he see me, but he fucks right past you? What the fuck? What the fuck? That is bullshit. No, it's slammed me still.
I'm clipping that.
What the fuck?
That's a clip right there.
How? You explain it.
I'm here, Mike. I'm here.
All right.
I'm coming.
The doors are unlocked, but leave it closed. They don't realize it's unlocked.
I'm here.
Well, I'm opening it. I'm opening it now.
All right, go for it.
Go.